Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve offers on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok, and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. And but don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.